Okay, today is May the 14th, 2017, and right now at 9:30 a.m. we have a temperature of 63 degrees in the foothills of Los Angeles. The relative humidity is 54%. We have a barometric pressure reading of 29.86 inches, and the dew point is 46 degrees. And right now we have overcast skies with increasing cloudiness as we have a moisture field moving in to Southern California, mainly in San Diego and Imperial counties. And we would expect to see rain down there from that pattern. Let's look at the water vapor map here. We can see that patch moving, patch of moisture moving right through the area, but there is zero rain in Southern California down here in the entire west coast, southeast, or rather the southwest. There's no rain. We do see some offshore right out here, but nothing of any consequence because of the chemtrail spraying activity. We've got reports already of spraying out in the desert areas of Southern California. Okay, so let's look at the western U.S. water vapor map. We see that this is the jet stream right here. It's quite a mess today because there's high pressure and chemtrails being installed right on top of this jet stream. We can see the all the crisscrossing right in this area of the jet stream. This is flowing right into Central and Southern California. Let's take a look at that right now, and we can see the flow pattern. And so there's high pressure right here. A satellite transmitter is disrupting the jet stream flow right here, and that is evaporating all the moisture that would normally be wrapping right into Central and Southern California. Let's take a look at that again. We can see the flow pattern is being disrupted and manipulated right here. And so that will shut off the water supply right here moving into Southern California. We've got high pressure installed out here. We can see all that clockwise rotation, and that is forcing the jet stream up and around and down and into California. Now, this is a way to get rain into Southern California while preventing rain up here. These guys up here in Northern California are probably getting sprayed. We've got what looks like the center of a low sort of moving down. If we look at the surface analysis map right here, we have high pressure depicted out in the eastern Pacific. We've got a trough and a low shown right here over Nevada, it looks like. Utah and Nevada, we've got that trough right here. So we've got lower pressure. We've got 29.86 inches. And a couple of lows right up here near Washington. Let's go back to the big map. And so once again, we see high pressure right on top of that jet stream, along with the chemtrail spraying activity, and that will maintain dry conditions more or less. No precipitation. All right. Here is the infrared loop for the western U.S. We see the clockwise rotation right here. And a great opportunity once again for some rain in Southern California. That's all being prevented by the chemtrail spraying. Here's the water vapor map for the southwest. There's that opportunity right there for rain. It's all been stopped. Okay, now here's the East Coast map. This storm that moved through the northeast yesterday is being pushed away. We've got high pressure right here, creating a lot of angles. We've got a sort of a right angle there, another angle right here. We've got high pressure on the other side of this. We can see the clockwise rotation right here, and that is basically pushing all this weather to the north. Got This is all being forced by high pressure right here. This is sort of being pushed away by this area. We can see the transmitter right there, the outline, that crescent shape, just pushing this thing along and away from the United States. Okay, here's the swell report for the West Coast. We've got 12 and 14 foot seas right off of Central and Southern California. So that's going to generate a lot of high surf and rip currents. All right. Once again, the IntelliCast Doppler map. Zero rain in the southwest, despite all that moisture moving in. All right, now here's the, let's take a look at the pressure maps. We've got the sea level pressure right here. We've got some squiggly lines over the southwest. That's all transmitter manipulation. Got the 500 millibar map right here. We've got a mid and upper level low right here. Closed mid-level low right there. A lot of squiggly lines. Got the high pressure out here installed, which is rerouting the jet stream. Now here's the 300 millibar map. We see a lot of more squiggly lines. We've got a low right here. Actually, there's two lows. Now look at all the jaggy lines right here on the 500 millibar map. Once again, right over Washington. This low here is being squashed out. There's actually, they show a low right here. But look at this. That is some, that's a lot of manipulation going on right there. Go back to the this map right here. This is the water vapor map for the western U.S. And we can see the right up over Washington, we've got a counterclockwise spinning weather system right here, but this is all being squashed. Over here, same thing. We got high pressure right there. That black area is pushing that away. So once again, a perfect opportunity. We've got counterclockwise rotation here, low pressure, moisture moving in, and zero rain. So that's really a shame. We should be having rain here on Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, by the way, to all the mothers out there, all the moms. That's the report, folks. There's not much to report. There's chemtrails out in the skies on the western horizon and out in the deserts. Okay, so we'll just leave it here, and we'll do another update later on.